Meiosis definition. Meos means to listen. Meiosis is double division of mother cell nucleus into four daughter cells nuclei. Meiosis represents reductional division. Number of chromosomes reduce half in daughter cells, results in formation of four genetically different haploid daughter cells. In meiosis, division of nucleus and cytoplasm occur twice, but DNA replication occurs once. Meiosis. Meiosis completes in two stages. Meiosis 1, Meiosis 2. Meiosis 1, actual reductional division, heterotypic division, resultant cells called dyad cells having half the number of chromosomes occurs in diploid cell. Meiosis 2, equational division, same as mitosis, homotypic division, resultant cells called daughter cells having same number of chromosomes occurs in haploid cell. Meiosis. Term meiosis given by Farmer and Murray 1905. Meiosis occurs in diploid sporophyte cells only. Cells that perform meiosis called meiocytes. Best experimental material to study meiosis is anther. Meiosis occurrence in sexually reproducing animals. Meiosis occurs in gonads, that is testis and ovary. Testis has spermatocytes, sperm mother cells. Meiosis produces sperm cells. Ovary has oocytes, ovum mother cell. Meiosis produces ovum. In lower plants like fungi, algae, certain protists, meiosis occurs in zygote. In bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms, meiosis occurs in spore mother cells, microspore mother cells, and megaspore mother cells. Meiosis. Types of meiosis. Zygotic meiosis, also called initial meiosis, occurs in zygote, results in spore formation. Sporic meiosis, also called intermediate meiosis, occurs in spore mother cells, microspore mother cells, and megaspore mother cells, results in spores, microspores, and megaspores formation. Gametic meiosis, also called terminal meiosis, occurs in gamete mother cells, results in gametes formation. Meiosis. Meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, prophase 1. Leptotin. Untangling of chromosomes. Each chromosome longest, thinnest, with two sister chromatids. Animal cells show bouquet stage. Astral race formation and movement of centrioles towards opposite poles occur. Zygotin, synaptotin. Synapsis, that is pairing of homologous chromosomes, occurs. Bivalent tetrad formation occurs. Synaptonemal complex formation occurs, maintained by nucleoplasmin proteins. Meiosis. Meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, prophase 1. Pachytene. Bivalence clearly visible. Crossing over and recombination occur. Exchange of genetic materials, parts, segments occur between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, performed by recombinase complex enzyme, results in formation of recombinant chromosomes. Diplotin, reverse zygotin, desynapsis of homologous chromosomes, due to dissolution of nucleoplasmin proteins. Formation of chiasmata occurs. Meiosis, meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, prophase 1. With reference to diplotin, arrested diplotin for months or years called dictyotin. For example, primary oocyte. Diakinesis, terminalization of chiasmata occurs. Slipping of chiasmata towards terminus results in separation of homologous chromosomes. Nucleus and nucleolus degenerated. Connecting link between prophase 1 and metaphase 1. Meiosis, meiosis 1, metaphase 1. Chromosomes condensation completed. Chromosomes appear thickest and shortest. By process search and capture, spindle fibers attached with kinetochore of chromosomes. Here, congregation results in alignment of homologous chromosomes at two equatorial or metaphasic plates. Arrangement of paternal and maternal chromosomes is random. Out of two kinetochores of each chromosome, only one kinetochore has attachment of spindle fibers. Meiosis, meiosis 1, anaphase 1. Pulling of homologous chromosomes occur towards opposite poles. Process called disjunction. Chromosomes are pulled in the form of two chromatids. Splitting of centromere absent. Here, instead of division of chromosomes, segregation of chromosomes occur, also called independent assortment of homologous chromosomes. During anaphase 1, reduction in number of chromosomes as well as amount of DNA occur, but amount of DNA is same as of mother cell after anaphase 1. Meiosis, meiosis 1, telophase 1. Disjunction, assortment of homologous chromosomes towards opposite pole completed. Chromosomes show little decondensation. Do not assume chromatin network structure. Nucleus and nucleolus reformed, reappeared. Spindle fibers degenerated. Telophase 1 results in formation of two haploid nuclei. Meiosis, meiosis 1, cytokinesis 1. Cytokinesis occurs in formation of two genetically different haploid cells called dyad cell. Interkinesis, also called intrameiotic interphase, it represents short time resting phase before starting of meiosis 2. Interkinesis is not divided in G1s and G2 phases. There is no replication of DNA or chromosomes. Only centriole replication occurs in animal cell. RNA, ATP and protein synthesis also occur. Meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 performs reduction of DNA to half with reference to mother cell. Number of chromosomes remains same after meiosis 2, thus it is equational division. Meiosis 2 is same as mitosis as it performs processes similar to mitosis, but meiosis 2 is not mitosis because meiosis 2 occurs only in haploid cells, but mitosis occurs both in haploid and diploid cells. In meiosis 2, sister chromatids of chromosomes are unidentical due to crossing over, but in mitosis, sister chromatids are identical. Meiosis 2 has shortest prophase, whereas mitosis has longest prophase. Meiosis 2, prophase 2, shortest phase, not divided into early, mid, and late prophase. No untangling of chromosomes. Condensation of chromosomes take place. Replicated centrioles in animal cell move towards opposite poles. Spindle fiber formation started. Nucleus and nucleolus degenerated. Meiosis II, metaphase II. Spindle fibers get attached with both kinetochores of each chromosomes. Congregation occurs in alignment of all chromosomes at single equatorial or metaphasic plate. Meiosis II, anaphase II, pulling of sister chromatids, daughter chromosomes take place. Splitting of centromeres occur. Division of chromosomes and reduction of amount of DNA occur. Meiosis II, telophase II, pulling of daughter chromosomes towards opposite poles completed. Daughter chromosomes show decondensation to form chromatin reticulum. Nucleus and nucleolus reformed reappeared. Telophase II results in formation of four genetically different haploid N by C daughter nuclei. Significance of meiosis. Meiosis restores, conserves, maintains number of chromosomes generation after generation, per se paradoxically statement. In sexually reproducing diploid organisms, meiosis brings haploid condition, whereas fertilization restores the diploid condition again. Meiosis brings genetic variations among progenies of same parent and members of same species. Meiosis helps in evolution. Types of meiosis based on cytokinesis. Successive meiosis. In this, during meiosis, each karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. Meiocyte, meiosis, meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, cytokinesis 1, meiosis 2, karyokinesis 2, cytokinesis 2. This results in isobilateral tetrad formation. Simultaneous meiosis. In this, during meiosis, each karyokinesis does not followed by cytokinesis. Cytokinesis occurs after completion of meiosis. Meiocyte, meiosis, meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, meiosis 2, karyokinesis 2, cytokinesis. This results in formation of tetrahedral tetrad. A mitosis discovered by Remak 1841, described by Fleming 1882, also called binary fission. For example, members of Monera and most of protists and protozoans, etc. During amitosis, there is no degeneration of nucleus. Nucleus remain intact throughout karyokinesis. Spindle fibers and distinct chromosomes formation absent. Amitosis is direct cell division, as steps of karyokinesis are absent. Karyokinesis occurs by invagination in fold of nuclear membrane, and cytokinesis also occurs by infold of cell membrane. Nucleus before karyokinesis and cell membrane before cytokinesis show elongation, enlargement. Meiosis formulae. For formation of N or X, number of microspores, pollen grains, male gametes, sperm cells, microgametes. Number of meiosis or meiotic division required is equal to N by 4 or X by 4. For formation of N or X, number of megaspores, endosperm with reference to gymnosperm, embryo sac with reference to angiosperm, egg cells, ovum cells megagametes, number of meiosis or meiotic division required is equal to n or x. To produce n or x number of zygotes, embryos, seeds, fruits, number of meiosis or meiotic division required is equal to n plus n by 4 or x plus x by 4. Number of chromosomes and amount of DNA with reference to diploid cell. Mitosis. Mother cell 2n2c, G1 2n2c, S 2n4c, G2 2n4c, prophase 2n4c, metaphase 2n4c, anaphase 4n4c, telophase, nucleus 2n2c, cell 4n4c, cytokinesis, daughter nucleus 2n2c, daughter cells 2n2c, n number of chromosomes, c amount of DNA. Number of chromosomes and amount of DNA. Meiosis, mother cell 2n2c, G1 2n2c, S 2n4c, G2 2n4c. Prophase 1, leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotin, diakinesis 2n4c. Metaphase 1 2n4c, anaphase 1 2n4c, telophase 1, nucleus n2c, cell 2n4c. Cytokinesis 1, dyad cells, nucleus n2c, cell n2c. Prophase 2 n2c, metaphase 2 n2c, anaphase 2 2n2c, telophase 2, nucleus nc, cell 2n2c. Cytokinesis 2, daughter nucleus nc, daughter cell nc.